Hello everyone, I am Suman Roy and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic of discussion is, if a particular planet placed in your 8th house in your natal chart, then what kind of result you can expect from that. Okay, so we will discuss about that briefly, but before that, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from this channel. And if you found this video informative, then please hit the like button, also comment below and share this video with all the astrology lovers. And if you want to take any type of personal consultation from me, then please go to the description section. You will get all the details from there. Now without wasting any time, let's start. See, 8th house is the house of sudden transformation, sudden changes in life. This house is not considered a good house. This is called as a Dushtana house. But this house also shows longevity of a particular person. This house is the house of fear, phobias, all types of dark secrets of life we can see from this house. So if Sun is placed in 8th house, then it basically indicates that this person wants to hide their true identity. Their soul may go through many transformations in life. Relationship with father also may go through many transformations. Here father may be somehow controlling, or there may be some kinds of issues with father. They can gain lots of inheritance from father. If Sun is badly placed here, then they may face many types of health issues in life, or some kinds of vitality related issues. They may suffer from high fever, ulcer, etc., or eye related disease. They have a very good intuitive capability, or they can become a good researcher. They always try to research about all the occult related things, mystical related things, or science as well, metaphysics. Okay. They may have a very good healing capability into them. Their father's life may also go through many kinds of transformations. But there is a thing, they can see all the dark things of life that no one can see, because always remember, Sun is light. Okay. Now if Moon is placed in 8th house, then it basically indicates that this person's emotion may go through lots of transformations. They can feel emotions very deeply or very intensely. They can feel other people's pain. They are very kind in nature. They have also a very emotional speech. Relationship with mother may also go through many kinds of transformation, or they may share a very deep emotional bond with mother. If Moon is well placed, then they can gain a lots of inheritance from mother. Okay, but if Moon is badly placed here, then some kinds of health issues will be related to mother, or relationship with mother will not be that much good. Here mother may be somehow controlling. They are very intuitive in nature. They can read other people's mind, so they can become very good psychiatrist or occultist as well. They will always try to know about the hidden things of life, like occult, astrology, this type of things, or any paranormal kinds of things. They will try to research about that things. Okay. Now if Mars is in 8th house, then it is called a Mangal Dosh also, and this is not a very good placement of Mars. Here they are brave enough to face any kinds of challenges in life. But in this case, their married life may suffer somehow. Their speech will be kind of aggressive, or relationship with relatives may not be that much good. Here some problems with in-laws can also be seen from this placement. Here chances of accidents are also there, so they must be careful about that. If Mars is placed alone here, then they can get lots of lands, property or inheritances. They can become a good researcher, or they can do well in medical field also. They are very intuitive as well. They can become a good astrologer. In a nutshell, I will say that this position is good for professional life but not very good for your personal life. You have to take care about your health and diet also, and you should exercise regularly. If Mercury is placed in 8th house, then it basically indicates that this person is a deep thinker, or they are very curious to know about the dark sides of life or hidden things of life, means occult, astrology, this type of things. So they can become a good astrologer. They are very intuitive as well. Okay, they generally don't speak that much, but whenever they speak, that way is a very deep and intense. They can also gain inheritances, but here some kinds of nervous system related issues or any kinds of breathing related issues will be there. Jupiter is placed in 8th house, then it basically indicates that it is a very good placement to have Jupiter in 8th house. They are very much spiritual person. They will always research about spiritual things or hidden things also. They will always try to know about Vedas, Shastra, Puran, okay, this type of things. This is a good placement to go to abroad or settle down there. Here expenses will be in a control because of Jupiter aspects in 12th house. Here you can gain lots of inheritances, properties, vehicles, etc. This person will be very peaceful natured person or peace loving person. Their speech will also be very good. Here they will accept all types of challenges with great optimism. Okay, now if Venus is placed in 8th house, then this type of people may try to hide their love affairs, or there will be kind of some secret love affairs going on into their life. They will share a very deep and emotional bond with the partner. They will be very passionate in love. Here they can gain lots of money through marriage, or their partner will be wealthy. They are kind of easygoing in nature. They may have also interest in occult related studies or astrology. This is a good placement of Venus on the point of money gain or inheritance, but your partner's speech may be kind of harsh. See, I already discussed about this in my previous videos, so I will not tell anything beyond that right now. But in this case, I will say that if you are a teenager, then somebody can take advantage of you also. So please be aware of that in love relationships. If Saturn is in 8th house, then it is a good placement for longevity, but occult related knowledge may come late into life. Here this is not a good placement also, because Saturn's aspect in 10th house may create delay in career or some kinds of problems in career. Here it also aspects your 2nd house, so savings will also be affected, or your speech will be also very slow, or sometimes you may speak in a harsh way. Love relationship will also be affected for this placement. Okay, so you have to work hard. If you have Saturn in 8th house, you have to put extra effort in your career, then only you can get success. Okay, so I have discussed about all these planets placement in 8th house and what kinds of result you can get from that. If you found this video quite informative, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And that's it for today. Take care and bye bye.